All right, so the first thing you should see once you sign up or sign back into Quizzes would be the Explore page or tab. If you see right here, I'm on the Explore tab. And that's kind of like the home page of Quizzes. What it shows you is all the different pre-made videos you have access to. And these will populate based on how you filled out your profile. So since I said I teach every subject imaginable, I have every subject imaginable to choose from here. But you go through, look at things based on subject, click see more if you just want to see everything just within that one subject. And then as you saw up top, they also recommend things for you just based on the different quizzes that you have added to your library. And if you're searching for something very specific, you can search for something here as well. I'm going to go ahead and just pull something from one of these pages here. That sounds like a good quiz. Some data analysis and graphing. Great, great topic. So once you find something you like, click on it as I just did. You go through and take a look at the questions. Now that is a very, very important time to give that disclaimer. These quizzes, as you could see, up here, just made by random teachers. So anybody who makes something, you could go into the library. Anybody else could come and pull it out. So what you want to really, really make sure of is it is a quiz you think it is. So don't just say, hey, it's about graphing. Go ahead and grab it and give it to your kids. You want to go through and make sure first that it's meeting your instructional needs, but also second that the information in the quiz is accurate. Teachers could just be flat out wrong. They could have clicked the wrong thing when they're trying to do their answer key. So always go through and again, make sure it is what you need, and then B, that everything is correct and factual and spelling is right and all that good stuff. But if it is something you like, what you could go ahead and do is save it to your library. I was going to ask you to create a new collection. Those are basically just, categories. So these are some of the categories I already have. So I would call this math. If you want to be more specific, though, instead, if you wanted to call it, you have a whole unit on graphing. So you want to make a new category for graphing. You can type it right in there, create, and you could put it in there instead. As you can see, you can also put it in multiple categories if you want to be able to see it in math and graphing. So completely up to you how you want to organize it. But it does keep your library nice and organized. So that's option one there. And then you can also copy and edit directly if you're not trying to save it for later. If you want to get into it right now and make yourself a copy and automatically go into your library. And from there, you can start adding new questions or editing the questions that are already there.